Welcome to the best picks. The best Sensodyne mouthwash is probably one of the most essential additions to your daily oral hygiene routine, especially if you struggle with tooth sensitivity, offering a refreshing, clean and targeted relief that goes beyond brushing alone to protect your enamel and soothe discomfort, making it a crucial step for maintaining a healthy and comfortable smile throughout the day. Number 5. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Toothpaste. Introducing Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair. It's specifically designed to help reharden and strengthen your enamel. If you suffer from sensitive teeth, this toothpaste offers targeted care. It works to protect your teeth from daily acid erosion. Its advanced formula actively works to make your enamel stronger and more resilient. Experience a noticeable difference in enamel health. Enjoy a clean and fresh feeling after every brush. This toothpaste leaves your mouth feeling refreshed and revitalized. Make it a part of your daily routine for continuous enamel protection. It helps defend against the effects of acid wear. Invest in the long-term health of your enamel. A stronger enamel means a healthier, more confident smile for you. What we like. This product is designed to intensively repair and strengthen your enamel. If you're concerned about enamel erosion or looking for enhanced protection, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those seeking a robust defense for their teeth. What people say. This mouthwash is great for sensitive teeth. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh. It helps to reduce sensitivity and prevent cavities. Number 4. Sensodyne Extra Whitening Toothpaste. Discover a brighter smile without the sensitivity. Sensodyne Extra Whitening gently lifts stains while protecting your teeth. If you experience tooth sensitivity, this is the toothpaste for you. It provides lasting relief and helps whiten your teeth over time. Our advanced formula not only whitens but also strengthens your tooth enamel. Protect your smile from daily wear and tear. Enjoy a clean, fresh feeling after every brush. It effectively removes surface stains for a noticeably whiter smile. Get a convenient pack of 3 for continuous care. Keep your sensitive teeth white and healthy with this essential toothpaste. What we like. Achieve a brighter smile without compromising your sensitive teeth. This option offers effective whitening while still being gentle. If you want to remove stains and get a whiter smile, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a good mouthwash that helps with sensitivity. It leaves my mouth feeling clean and fresh. I like that it doesn't have a strong taste. Number 3. CloSYS Gentle Mint Mouthwash, 32 ounces. Experience the refreshing power of CloSYS Gentle Mint Mouthwash. Its unique formula is designed to provide a clean and comfortable oral care experience. Say goodbye to bad breath and hello to lasting freshness. This mouthwash helps neutralize odors, leaving your mouth feeling revitalized. Enjoy a powerful clean without the harshness. Our gentle mint flavor is perfect for daily use, even for those with sensitive mouths. Get more of what you love with our generous 32-ounce bottle. It's the perfect size for your daily routine, ensuring you're always stocked up. Achieve a healthier, fresher smile with every use. It's the simple step to elevate your oral hygiene and boost your confidence. What we like. Experience long-lasting fresh breath with a gentle, soothing rinse. It's formulated to be kind to your mouth, avoiding harshness. If you dislike the sting of alcohol-based mouthwashes or need a daily freshener, this is a perfect fit. What people say. It's a good mouthwash that helps to keep my teeth clean and fresh. I like that it doesn't have a strong alcohol taste, which makes it more pleasant to use. This mouthwash leaves my mouth feeling very clean and refreshed. Number 2. Parodontax Active Gum Health Mouthwash. Introducing Parodontax Active Gum Health Mouthwash, your daily defense against plaque and gingivitis. Experience a refreshing mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. This powerful formula is designed to actively combat plaque buildup and prevent gingivitis. Keep your gums healthy and strong with every use. Enjoy the invigorating sensation of mint that freshens your breath and provides a lasting clean feeling. It's a delightful way to start and end your day. Get more of what you love with this convenient 3 by 16.9 fluid ounces value pack. Ensure you always have this essential oral care product on hand. Invest in your oral health with Parodontax. Achieve healthier gums and contribute to your overall well-being. What we like. Focus on maintaining healthy gums and preventing common issues. This mouthwash actively fights plaque and gingivitis. If you're looking to improve your gum health or prevent future problems, this is a targeted solution. What people say. The mouthwash has a refreshing mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh. It effectively reduces sensitivity and provides long-lasting relief from tooth pain. The formula is gentle on gums and does not cause any irritation. Number 1. Lumineux Teeth Whitening Mouthwash, 2-pack. Discover a brighter smile with our advanced whitening mouthwash. It's specially formulated to be gentle on your enamel while effectively lifting stains. Enjoy a clean and fresh feeling without harsh chemicals. This formula is peroxide-free, alcohol-free, and fluoride-free for a gentle experience. Trust in a formula developed by dental professionals. It's designed to be safe and effective for your daily oral care routine. Effortlessly remove stains from coffee, tea, and wine. Achieve a noticeably whiter smile with regular use. Protect your teeth's natural strength. This mouthwash is enamel safe and free from SLS, ensuring a comfortable and healthy clean. Stock up and save with this convenient 2-pack. Keep your smile bright and healthy with this essential oral care product. What we like. Lift stains and whiten your teeth naturally and safely. This formula is free from harsh chemicals like peroxide, alcohol, and fluoride. If you desire a gentle yet effective whitening solution that protects your enamel, this is an excellent option. What people say. It is a great mouthwash that helps to reduce sensitivity. The mouthwash has a refreshing taste and leaves your mouth feeling clean. It is effective in preventing cavities and strengthening enamel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.